Hello kids there. Today we will be learning to draw one new drawing in MS Paint. For this, we will open your MS Paint and we will first select one shape, that is your rectangle. Click on the rectangle tool and choose one color for the border. We will draw a square. Same rectangle tool and we will draw a rectangle out of it. Then we will take the triangle. Just place the triangle over it per square. Take the line, press the shift key, draw the line, take another line and just join the line. Now your basic house is ready. You can take the rectangle and make the doors as well as the windows. So our house is ready. This is the drawing of a house. Take the eraser tool and erase the portion in between. For making the clouds, you can take the cloud call out and place the cloud call out. Again take the eraser tool and erase the lower portion. So here we are erasing the clouds. Then we'll take the line tool. Press the shift key to make perfectly straight lines. So here we are drawing the straight lines. Take the pencil tool. Then you can make the bushes using the pencil tool on both the sides. Then we'll make the sun. We'll take a 6-point star. We'll place in the sun over here, one oval, and make a circle out of it. So now we can color it. The drawing is ready for coloring. We'll take the color the roof and window. Light color we can take here, and for the windows you can take any color that you wish. Then we will take the blue color or the turquoise color and color the sky. Now see this portion, it has filled out a little bit, so we need to correct that. Otherwise we can also adjust this size a little bit, and later on when you fill this color, then a green color, and we can take it and look the line color. See, color is filling out, that means we need to change it. So what we will do, we will make a correction over here. Let's see which area it is actually spilling out. So we can take the black color and just adjust it over here. I think this is the portion where it is spilling out. We can just adjust it so that no gap is there anywhere. Now let's take the color and say fill it. Yes, now it's perfectly fine. Let's take the green lime color. Now let's take the blue color, and for the sun you can take the bright color and color the sun, and below we can take the dark green. So your scenery is ready, and for the chimney we can take we have left out the chimney, so let us color it. So we can just take here and we can complete this scenery, very beautiful scenery. We need to change the color. Scenery, you can just select this and change the color. Select one font. Okay, this looks fine. So I hope you like this.